Meet Iratrips, your on-the-go travel planner and companion app. Whether it's family getaways or group trips, Iratrips has got your back. It's your ultimate travel buddy. So why would you need app for travel? Well, if you think about it, it's all about easy trip planning, team coordination, and being able to quickly track locations when it really matters. Let me break down Iratrips for you. First off, it's your ultimate travel planner, helping you craft, share, and tweak your trip itinerary. Then, it's got your back with full offline support, meaning you can access all your info offline. And hey, don't forget expense management. It lets you attach receipts and split bills hassle-free. With Iratrips, you can boost your travel game with the built-in route optimizer. It slashes travel time and distances. Plus, customize your stops with time preferences, like hitting up sunset spots in the evening. Easy, right? Experience hassle-free group travel with Iratrips. Easily set up pickup and drop-off points for road trips, and effortlessly track vehicle locations for smooth boarding. Establish boarding and alighting stations, check train timetables, view the next station, and track remaining journey distance. Real-time updates on distance and time? They're conveniently displayed in your notification bar. Iratrips offers built-in one-to-one and group chat, prioritizing your security with top-notch end-to-end encryption. Plus, it's packed with travel-centric perks like showing web links preview on the chat page and effortless high-res photo sharing within your group. Ready to begin? Simply download Iratrips from the Play Store, sign up with your mobile number, create your trip, and share the invitation link with your friends or family via email or WhatsApp. Accept requests to join from friends, and once everyone's in, let's start planning the trip together. To reach out, just use the phone number or email address shown on your screen. We're here to help. Thank you for watching.